Now and again, I come across a caravan that I think is just pretty darn good. Now that is the case with this Hike RV Amore Ultra caravan. It's a 22 foot 6 inch off-road rig. And as I said, this is one very special caravan. And honestly, I've just got to show you. First things first, the Amore Ultra sits on top of a 14 inch truss chassis that's been fully Raptor coated for protection. The good thing with the Raptor coating, it'll protect the chassis from, rust and chips and damage. But if the Raptor coating does get chipped or damaged in any way, it's a very easy job to have it touched up. Now up here, what we've got is a massive storage box on the A-frame. We've got a couple of 9-kilogram gas cylinders in the center and some slide-out trays either side to suit things like, a portable generator or a fridge or something like that. But one thing that's quite unique is instead of the box being made out of checker plate, it's been fabricated out of powder-coated sheet metal. And at the end of the day, the powder-coated sheet metal just looks a lot better than checker plate. It really matches the van. Now this caravan at Tear weighs 2,980 kilos, but it has an ATM of 4,500 kilos. And to that end, they've fitted the DO45 coupling. Now the other thing about this caravan is that it's framed up in 25mm pop riveted aluminium, while the floor is a special honeycomb structure, and the idea there is to try to strip as much weight out of the caravan as possible. In fact, they have employed a number of weight saving measures in this caravan. Now you might be wondering about the suspension. Well, this caravan is a top end off-roader, and as such they've given it really the top of the line off-road suspension. What we've got is the Cruisemaster ATX airbag. Level 4, that means it's fully controllable even by a remote control fob on your keychain. This 22 foot 6 inch Amore Ultra by Hike RV is a top end off-road caravan, as I said, and therefore it's going to have some serious off-road features. What we've got are some rock sliders. We've got some anti-insect lights over here. Here we have the control panel for the Level 4 Cruisemaster suspension, and I'm telling you, this is fantastic when you're on an uneven site and you want to level the caravan east to west. You can do that independently just by flicking a switch. And it's pumping up right now. But for as well fitted out and as well built as this caravan is on the outside, to me, it's the inside that really shines. Let's have a look. This layout is an absolute winner. I love the rear club lounge. It just gives you so much space to, relax and entertain. But they also lend themselves to a split bathroom further towards the front of the caravan. And in this case, it's done exceptionally well. But there's also a number of unique features that I've never seen before inside of a caravan. And that's what I want to take you through first. First up, look at the niche in the kitchen. It's designed specifically to accept a TV. We've got a swing arm in there and all the relevant connections. It's a very unique idea for an Australian caravan. But speaking of unique ideas inside caravans, you've got to check out these cutouts inside the bedroom. I also really love that LED light panel that sits inside the void between the bedroom wall and the shower. Now the 22 foot 6 inch Amore is available in 3 different packs. First of all, you've got the hiker pack, that's the base level or entry level. And then you've got the terrain, and then you've got this ultra pack that we have inside this caravan. And that gives you all the premium top end features that Hike RV can fit inside the van. Some of these features include 300 amp hours worth of lithium, 660 watts worth of solar on the roof, and we've also got 3 110 litre water tanks, filtered drinking water, and a grey water tank as well. Oh, and another thing about this caravan that I've never seen before in an Australian van is it has a built-in air fryer. Part of the philosophy behind the caravan is Hike RV wanted to sort of package it up with everything that the customer could conceivably need or want when they're off-grid or doing a big lap around the country. And I think on that front, they have succeeded. There is nothing about this caravan that makes me think, they could have done this or they should have done that. You look underneath the caravan, there is acres of checker plate, and that's one thing I love to see is proper protection for all those vulnerable components on the underbody. Things like, your PVC piping, your wiring, stuff that gets shot peen to pieces when you're out on the Unidata track or wherever. And I love the fact that it's properly protected underneath. To me, that is characteristic of an off-road builder that has some idea of what they're talking about. And if you look in the bathroom, you'll find a washing machine, there's a large shower. There's nothing about that bedroom that I don't like. And at the end of the day, Hike RV will be very accommodating. So if there are little aspects to the layout that you want to have changed or you want to add extra features, they're more than willing to work with you on that. Now, the guys behind Hike RV have got about 6 years of industry experience, and they sell up to 15 caravans a week. And this one is one of their most popular models. And in all honesty, I can see why.